Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. So today we're going to be taking a look at the GOKOO smartwatch. This is actually on Amazon right now. Let me see if I could find it for you guys, but it has some pretty cool features for it. I'm going to actually inquire about why it says currently unavailable, but you know, we do have a pretty cool features on here. Now, it does say that we do have sleep mode, stopwatch, weather, which is something that a lot of smartwatches don't actually have. 24 sports modes, which is crazy. Sleep monitoring and calling, you know, SMS notifications as well. You can also find your phone and get alarms on here. Now when I last checked, it was about $50. So let me see, I think this is it right here. This might just be it right here. But yeah, this is gonna be a pretty sweet deal, guys. So let's just jump into some of the features on here so I don't keep you guys waiting. But basically, GOKOO is a company that was founded in 1999, and they've been doing you know, production and marketing of smartwatches for many years. And they wanted to get the high quality out, and you can see right here that they do produce, you know, I like how they got the weather on here, IP68 waterproofing, a lot of sports modes. It said 24, GPS tracking, and sleep. So that without any more waiting, I'm gonna go ahead, cut open the box, guys. Let's just see what this thing has to offer. And right now I'm wearing the Vermi smartwatch. So this is the one I've been using, but it's really slim and everything like that. So this one is a little bit more, it comes in two colors. It comes in the orange, it comes in the gray color. You pop this off. It does say smartwatch watch S11 on here. And this is a pretty nice packaging here. I really do like this. So let's go ahead and see. I think there's a smart code scan right here that we can scan to get like the Glory Fit app. It says right here. So that's all we have to do is scan the back of the box. So all you have to do is find a QR code scanner, and I always use this app right here because it has one built right in. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. Hold on. Oh, that was really quick. All right, so we'll let this QR code scan download to the Glory Fit app. But let me just check out let me see, Google Play Store. And we'll hit install. So there it is. That's the app for this smartwatch. Okay, so we'll put that down right there, and we do have a proprietary cable right here, and there's no wireless charging on this smartwatch, so just keep that in mind. Now this is the user manual. It does say version 11.1 on here, and everything is pretty much self-explanatory. You get your heart rate sensor, your LED light, your infrared light, your magnetic charge, the power button. You can hold and press it and start up the device. You also can put that magnetic charger on there as well. So I'm gonna get into all the modes on here. And it says it's downloading right now. So here is the smartwatch itself. And you can see that it does have the time all the way across it. If you look on the bottom, you can see right here, it's got this nice matte finish on the band. It's not bad at all. Pretty decent style here. So I'm going to take off the sticker on here, and let's put that off to the side. So now we're just going to give this some juice right here on the side. Okay, so that has juice right now on it, and I really like how that looks. The font on here is nice. Okay, so you do have find your phone, brightness, info, settings. We do have messages when we swipe up when we swipe down, we do get those settings and things of that nature. So when we swipe right, we get our steps, heart rate, and sleeping is also tracked on here, which is nice. This thing also has the weather on here, which is sick. I'm trying to see how many, so you get your weather, your status, everything's on here, messages, training. Let me see how many training modes there are: running, cycling, skipping, tennis, badminton, basketball, football, volleyball, cricket, rugby, hockey, yoga, treadmill. All right, so here's the workout modes: sit-ups, biking, and yeah, so this is fully packed with a ton of modes. Let me find out how long the battery life is on here from what it said on the website. Okay, so it says right here that you can get 30 days in standby time, but 10 days when it's normal use. And this is just the unboxing, so I just wanted to show you basically what it looks like when you take it out of the box. But you can track your steps, your calories, your heart rate, your distance, your daily, track your movements in real time. And the weather is on here. You could also control your music. You could also control your camera. You could also synchronize it to the app, which will allow you to get notifications on your phone for phone calls, and that will allow you to ignore calls from your smartwatch. So what I'm going to go to do is go straight into the app, guys. Let's see if we can get this thing open. It should be downloaded by this time. Here it is. All right, cool. So now that we got the app installed, there's still a little bit of tape on the back of here. And I'm going to take this smartwatch off. And we do have another smartwatch review coming soon right here for the Vermi VT3 Lite. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And make sure you subscribe and get notified. So this one is actually cool because you can swipe up, you can get your settings, you can get everything on here, brightness. Let me turn this up a little bit. Yeah, so that the maximum is actually best on here, the way the screen looks. And I like the rubber fit, so let me put this on my left wrist. And we do get the metal buckle on here as well. This is like aluminum buckle, rubber material here, it feels like, but it's also like a matte material, so it won't rip your arm. Let me lock it. And you do get the lift to wake on here. It does tell you right here, the battery percentage. So right here it's telling you that it's actually 50% based on this mechanism. My heart rate is at 90. I have a live heart rate right here, 94, 95. It's just going up right now. Now it's telling me that I actually have to set up a email and stuff like that. So let me set that up. All right, so it actually lets you sign in through Facebook, which is cool. Select male or female. So we're gonna select that one. Then it tells you that you can select your height, but it's actually in, centimeters, which is weird. I think I'm 190 in centimeters. I'm not even exactly sure, but okay, here's the pounds. Probably around this area. Okay, boom. And then it says ask you for your age and things of that nature. And then once you do that, you could put your daily steps. So I'll put 8,000 complete. Oh snap, I hit the wrong. Okay, so boom. It says you could select device, select headphones. What? Let me see, select device, allow. So now if the watch is gonna probably like show up right now. All right, there it is. The S11. So now it says connecting. And then there it is, guys. So you can see that the battery is like literally halfway out of the box, but you have all your stuff right here on the main screen. I like how they did this. I like how they set that up. You got your heart rate, your sleep on the front screen. Then you got your, okay, this is where you have the GPS where you could do running, walking, and things of that nature. You can track your distance through walking. I like the layout of this. It's really easy to understand. This is where you get your dial center. So let me just go to dial center. Oh, snap. Okay, so there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. About, oh wait, there's more. They just keep loading. Successfully loaded. Okay, wow. So there's like a lot of pages on here. There's more than one page. I'm actually shocked. Okay, it says no more. That's pretty much it. I like this one with the earth. It says you could synchronize the dial on the phone, on the smartwatch. So it says right here it's syncing. That might take some time. I wonder if I should pause the video right now. Okay guys, so wow, that looks fire right there. That's the earth right there. So you can see really easy interface. It also does tell me the battery percentage. I'm gonna charge this 100% right now, and then we're gonna start the review process within the next few days, maybe over the next 30 days or less or so, in between that area. But I can swipe across, get all my modes here, even the weather. I'm gonna have to change that to Celsius. You could also do custom dials on this page, which is crazy. So let's turn, the heart rate is turned on, that's already on. Call reminders, we're gonna turn that on as well. So you get your call reminders on here. Let's go ahead, hit that. You can do reject calls as well, delayed reminder. And you can go to your, you know, message reminders, app reminders, and things of that nature. So if you have, first you're gonna have to allow the app permission in the background to control that, and then you can get out of there. But email, other apps like, maybe not YouTube, but maybe like Instagram, things of that nature. Facebook, there's just too many reminders on there to, but you get your stand-up reminders as well. You could turn on the interval of time when you want it to remind you, but you leave that off if you do so desire. The smart alarm clock is add a smart alarm clock. And okay, so that's just an alarm clock that will automatically be turned on every day. This is where you can raise your wrist to activate the display. Do not disturb mode on here. Universal settings, so you can shake to take a picture. That's pretty crazy. I didn't know they had that on here. Shake to take a picture. Does that really work? All right, I'm not messing around with that no more. You can find your phone. This is where we can change the units from metric to British. And talk about, and then it does also have the time that the screen will stay on, 5, 15, or 10, I think it was. Yeah. And then you do have your device languages right here. So right now we're gonna change it to English. That's gonna be the default language. Make sure you hit that. Cool. And then you can go to your profile and it automatically connects your Facebook profile. You can have a training plan. You also do have a step target, weekly goals as well right here. This thing is packed with more features than I thought. And you can see right here, we do have some options inside the app. So, I'm really liking this, the GPS, the heart rate, the weather, the faces, live heart rate, sleep monitoring, things of that nature, status for your steps and calories burned, and even blood pressuring and blood oxygen, the blood pressure. But let me know what you guys think down below. And I really like this. I really like this for the price, but I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.